Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of online banking and specifically, a challenger bank called Fider. Now, challenger banks are all the rage these days, promising sleek apps, innovative features, and most importantly, free banking. But is that really the case with Fider? Let's break it down and see if Fider can truly be your free financial companion. The free stuff, building your basic banking arsenal. First things first, Fider does offer a free current account, which is fantastic news for those seeking a no-frills banking option. Opening the account is a breeze, often completed through a quick video identification process. You'll also get a digital MasterCard included, perfect for online purchases and contactless payments. But what about those everyday needs? Don't worry, Fider has you covered with free bank transfers within the Eurozone, so sending money to friends and family becomes a breeze. Plus, depositing funds is typically free, so topping up your account is a hassle-free experience. Beyond the basics, where fees might creep in. Now, while the core functionalities are free, there are a few things to keep in mind when it comes to potential fees. The biggest one is transaction volume. If you stay under 10 transactions a month, which includes incoming and outgoing payments, direct debits, card payments, and ATM withdrawals, then you're golden, no fees. However, if you're a swiper and a spender who goes above that magic number of 10, a monthly fee of €5 kicks in. This can be a deal breaker for some, especially high-volume users. It's important to assess your spending habits and see if Fider's free tier aligns with your financial activity. Going physical, the price of plastic. Another consideration is the physical debit card. While the digital MasterCard is free, a physical card comes with an additional monthly fee. There are two options, a basic Fider Debit MasterCard for €1 per month, or the Fider Debit Smart Card with Maestro functionality for €2 per month. The Smart Card sweetens the deal with 2 free ATM withdrawals worldwide every month. However, keep in mind there's still a 1.5% foreign currency transaction fee if you use it outside the Eurozone. So, if you travel frequently, these additional charges can add up. Fider for Business, a different ball game. For our entrepreneur viewers out there, Fider also offers business accounts. The good news? Opening a business account doesn't incur any fees. However, there's a €5 monthly fee for the Fider Smart Business Account, which unlocks essential features for business owners, like an IBAN for international transactions. The verdict, is Fider free? It depends. So, can you truly bank for free with Fider? The answer, like most things in life, is, it depends. For low-volume users who primarily rely on digital transactions and are happy with online banking, Fider's free tier is a solid option. However, if you crave a physical card, make frequent ATM withdrawals, or have a high transaction volume, then you might end up paying some additional fees. The final takeaway, weighing your options. Ultimately, the decision to choose Fider hinges on your banking needs and spending habits. Take some time to analyze your financial activity and compare Fider's free tier and fee structure with other challenger banks or traditional banks in your region. Remember, the best bank is the one that aligns perfectly with your financial goals and lifestyle. So, do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and choose the bank that empowers you to manage your money effectively. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy banking.